Now, let us discuss the concept of underwriter. So, who is an underwriter, sir? Listen, everybody, underwriters case se hota hai underwriter concept. Listen. I think you would have studied this concept of underwriting, accounting for underwriting in CA Foundation accounts. You had these accounts? Okay. Anyways, section number 40 deals with what? Securities to be listed in what exchange? Stock exchange. So permission should be obtained from the stock exchanges before you list your securities. Plus it also deals with the concept of underwriters. Concept of what? Underwriter. Sir, how this concept of underwriter works, sir? Listen, everybody. For example, let's say there is a company called as which company? XYZ company. This company wants to offer shares to whom? Shares to the public. These are what? Public. Okay? Just assume they are what? Public, and this is the company, and company want to offer shares to whom? To the public. We know that company cannot do allotment of securities unless company obtains what? Minimum subscription. Have you seen Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi movie? In that, who is the hero of that movie? Shah Rukh Khan. Why you guys are laughing? Hero is the Shah Rukh Khan and heroine is the Anushka Sharma. This XYZ company, what company? XYZ company is like Anushka Sharma. Is like what? Anushka Sharma. Clear? And this public is like the bridegroom of Anushka Sharma. Bridegroom of whom? Anushka Sharma. Remember, in the Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi, the marriage gets fixed between Anushka Sharma and the student of, not student, some person, and their marriage process were going on, but suddenly what happens that groom dies and Shah Rukh Khan will be present in that marriage, and her father ask her to get married to his student. Shah Rukh Khan. That is how the marriage happens. Correct, right? Now there is Shah Rukh Khan. This is Shah Rukh Khan. This Shah Rukh Khan is like what? He is like a underwriter. He is like what? Underwriter. So now here, this Shah Rukh Khan makes a promise to whom? Deepu. Why will you make a promise to Deepu? This Shah Rukh Khan makes a promise. Promise to whom? Company. The XYZ company. That XYZ company, you don't worry. You go for issue of shares to whom? Public. If you don't get the minimum subscription or minimum subscription. If public says no to you, you please come back to me. I'll be waiting for you. I will save you from the what? From the the consequences of not getting the what subscription? Minimum subscription. So if company fails to obtain what subscription? Minimum subscription from whom? Public. Who will save the company? The underwriter will save the company. This is the agreement who makes? Underwriter makes. Will he do this at a free of cost? Obviously charge what? Commission for that. Everybody charges commission for their work, correct, right? Now for this, he will charge commission. Who will charge commission for this? Underwriter charge the commission for this. Now the commission depends upon what he is underwriting. If he is underwriting equity shares, what shares? Equity shares. If he is underwriting equity shares, then he can charge, our company can pay a maximum underwriting commission of how much? It can pay maximum of 5%. How much? 5%. 5% of the issue price or the rate in the AOA. Rate in the what? AOA, whichever is less. Whichever is what? Less. This is the maximum amount of underwriting commission who can pay? Company can pay. To whom? To the underwriter. Or in case of debentures. In case of what? Debentures are nothing but debt securities. In that situation, the company can pay. Who can pay? Company can pay. How much? 2.5% of the issue price or rate in the AOA. In the what? AOA. Whichever is or more or whichever is less. Whichever is less. This is the amount of underwriting commission. Who can pay? Company can pay. To whom? Underwriter. For the issue of, for underwriting the issue of securities. Clear? Now let's say company is offering, I hope you guys got an idea of what is underwriting of securities. Is a person who promises to save the company if the company fails to obtain what subscription? Minimum subscription, and he charges commission for that. That is called as underwriting commission. Company can pay how much commission? 5% of the issue or rate in the AOA, whichever is less. If it is debentures, 2.5% of the issue or rate in the AOA, whichever is less. Are we clear with this, everybody? Now let's say company is offering. Who is offering? Company is offering 1 lakh shares. How many shares? Company is offering 1 lakh shares of how much each? 10 rupees each. Now out of these 1 lakh shares, let's say company has issued. Who has issued? Company has issued 10,000 shares to whom? To the board of directors. 10,000 shares to whom? Board of directors. So board of directors are buying how many shares? 10,000 shares. So 10,000 shares are already sold out. Remaining how many left? 90,000 shares are left. So now this remaining 90,000 shares, how many shares? Remaining 90,000 shares to the board of directors. Remaining 90,000 shares are offered to whom? Offered to the public. They are offered to the public. Offered to the public. At what price they are offered to the public? Let's say they are offered to the price. The issue price is 15 rupees. What is the price? 15 rupees. Means are we charging premium or are we charging discount? Premium. What is the premium here? 5 rupees. Now out of this, if the shares are offered, how many shares are offered? 90,000 shares are offered. Now, is it underwritten by the promoter? Sorry, underwritten by the underwriter here? Yes. In this scenario, tell me, is company liable to pay commission? Yes. Who is paying commission here? Company wants to pay 6% commission. Possible, not possible? Can company pay 6% commission on this? No. 5%? But rate in the AOA is 4%. Can it pay 5%? Only how much? 4%. Let's say rate in the AOA is also 5%. Our articles of association is silent. Then what is the maximum? How much? 5%. Now tell me, what is the max? What is the commission payable by this company to Mr. Shah Rukh Khan? Correct, 5%. But tell me the amount. How much amount the company is supposed to pay? How much? Company is supposed to pay how much commission to Mr. Shah Rukh Khan for underwriting this issue? $67,000? Is it? Everyone got the same answer? Now listen, everybody. Will you pay commission on these 10,000 shares? Why no? Because they're not offered to who? Public. So commission, keep this in mind. Commission is payable only on those shares which are offered to whom? Public. That is the risk he has taken, right? He has taken the risk of underwriting the shares which are offered to the public, not to the directors. So commission is payable only on those shares which are offered to the public. So how many shares are offered to the public? So the calculation of commission. Calculation of what? Commission. Calculation of commission payable. Tell me, how you do the calculations? What is the 90,000? Is it face value or is it issue price? So 15, it becomes how much? 13,50,000 is the value of securities offered to the public. On this you can pay how much commission? 5%. So what is 5% of 67,500 is the commission payable to whom? To Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, the underwriter. This can be paid either in the form of what? Cash. or in the form of kind. Means instead of giving the cash, can we give the shares to Shah Rukh Khan worth of how much? 67,500. Possible, not possible? Possible. So underwriting commission can be paid either by cash or by kind. And out of what we can pay this? We can pay this either out of the proceeds of the issue or out of the profits of the company. Out of the company? Profits of the company. Yes. The shares. The commission, whatever the commission you payable, right? Instead of giving cash to him, what he will give? Shares to him. No, you will pay the commission irrespective of whatever happens, because you are undertaking the what? Risk. It is same like insurance policy. When you take insurance policy, you pay premium irrespective of what? Whether you're going to claim the amount or not. Because he is assuming the risk of not obtaining the minimum subscriptions. Done? Yes. Correct.
Okay. There's under subscription of let's assume 25,000. For that 25,000, I have given underwriting contract. So will it be calculated? 5% will be calculated on 25,000 shares or the whole share?
It depends upon how many shares you have underwritten. If you have underwritten 25% of the shares, then you will get commission only on what? 25% of the shares. In this case, you have underwritten the whole issue of shares, because you don't know how many shares public is going to buy. They may buy 1 share, 10 shares, 100 shares, 1000 shares. He's not sure about it. So he has given the underwriting for what? The entire shares which are offered to the public, 90,000 shares. On that, we're going to pay the commission to him. Exactly. That is why we appoint the underwriters, book lead managers, then merchant bankers. All these persons are appointed prior to the company goes into public issues. Exactly. So because it's a contingency, right? There can be over-subscription as well as what? Under-subscriptions. If a reputed company, then obviously there will be always what? Subscription? Over-subscription. Anything can happen. What if some sudden information comes out and people start dumping the share, like the people start cancelling their application form? Then who will save the company? Because there is so much of expenses involved when a company goes into public issue of shares. You will enroll NSEs like the platforms and you get the approval of SEBI. So there are a lot of procedures involved in case of public issue. To make sure that public issue goes smoothly, you go for the underwriting of securities. Understood? So what is the maximum commission? And you guys got the idea, right? Why it is 5% for equity shares and 2.5% for debentures? Why? What is the reason? Why it is less for debentures and why it is more for equity shares? Risk is more in what? Equity, then the debentures. That is the reason. Got it? Understood? Can the commission be paid in cash? Kind? Out of the proceeds of the issue? Or out of the profits of the company? Yes or no? Can we use the securities premium account balance for the purpose of payment of commission to the underwriters? The answer is yes. Section number 52 allows the application of securities premium account balance for any commissions payable or issues on the what? Issue of shares or debentures. It's the issue expenses, right? So you can use the balance of which account? Securities premium account. What account? Securities premium account. I hope you guys got the concept of underwriter. So who is underwriter in our example? Shah Rukh Khan. So he will marry whom? Anushka Sharma if the bridegroom dies or if he refuses to marry her. So she has a security from whom? Shah Rukh Khan, that Anushka Sharma, you go for the marriage. If he refuses to marry you, who will marry you? Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan is a what? Underwriter. Shah Rukh Khan is a what? Underwriter. Are we clear with this concept of underwriting of securities, everybody? Okay, let's go to the material now. We will discuss one by one. Let's start. Based on these, they asked questions in the previous examinations. Can you guys read the provisions, please? A company may pay commission to whom? Any persons. Everybody, any person in connection with the subscription of its securities subject to the following condition. What is the first condition? Should be authorized by the Articles of Association. There should be authorization in the Articles of Association. Second one, commission may be paid out of the proceeds of the issue or out of the profits of the company or with the both. This also we have discussed. Prospectus of the company shall disclose the name of underwriters. Name of whom? then the amount of commission payable to the underwriters and the number of securities which is to be underwritten are subscribed by the underwriters absolutely or unconditionally. Sorry, conditionally. This has to be specified in the which document? In the prospectus itself. So it is appointment always happens prior to the issue of prospectus. Commission shall not be paid to any underwriter on securities which are not offered to the public for subscriptions. Clear with this? Next point. Copy of the contract for a payment of commission is delivered to the registrar at the time of delivery of prospectus for registration. You need to file that document with the ROC as well. Commission shall be payable, shall not exceed 5% of the price at which shares are issued. It is always what price? Issue price, not the face value or the rate authorized by what? Articles, whichever is less. And the next one, 2.5% of the issue price at which debentures are issued are specified in the company's articles, whichever is less. Whichever is what? Can be offered debentures at discount price?
Yeah. Yes.
Shares cannot be offered at discount, but debentures can be offered at what? Discount. But generally no company offers debentures at what? Discount, because it is less risky asset.